There's not going to be a President Donald Trump. That's not going to happen.
Raise your right hand. Vote for Donald Trump tomorrow.
Maybe hate is what we need if we're going to get something done.
Nasty fucking nigger.
Go home, get a job.
Uh-oh. Donald Trump is the President of the United States.
How the fuck did this happen?
The American dream is dead.
They are literally waking up to a nightmare of injustice, poverty, lost democracy.
Our town is dying. I can show you where kids have it worse than the kids I saw in Iraq and Afghanistan.
Okay,
They believe in him, and that's more important than believing the truth.
Okay, I'm president. Hey, I'm president.
How come we don't have more people like you on our side?
There are many people out there.
Where are they?
If nobody's gonna do it, then I gotta do it. We want change!
A group of protesters.
Do you see any weapons?
Michael Moore is here.
If we can just have the courage to step out, others will follow.
We appreciate that you are willing to let us rebuild the world that you fucked up.
Try to impeach him. You will have a spasm of violence like you've never seen. So we're all part of this very historic movement, a movement the world has never seen before.
I loved what he did. I enjoyed it. I hope he never does one on me.